Today is May 17th, 18th, 2011. And we are going to give Evelyn her first taste of rice cereal.
May 17th.
May 17th, 2011. And she's sitting in the same ghetto high chair that Hill was sitting in when he got his first rice feeding. Hill, you want to say hi to camera?
Yeah.
Say hi. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Say hi. Can you stop bouncing?
Do you like it? So we made it a little bit thicker than we did for your brother. What do you think about that? She says, that stopped my crying.
That's what.
That stopped my crying.
I don't see Finn.
You gonna go see Finn? Here you go, baby.
I don't see Finn.
Here, baby. Come on. Try this. Lick it clean. Is that funny?
See in the picture.
Here you go.
You want to smile? You want to smile, Hill?
Yeah.
Say hi. Say Evelyn's eating rice.
Can you say that, Hill?
Can you say Evelyn's eating rice?
And we not eat rice.
That's right. Baby Evelyn's eating rice.
Is it yummy, Evelyn?
Clearly.
Huh? Yum.
No, Rocky.
Oh, Rocky even came to celebrate.
Hi, Rocky. Rocky, how are you doing?
Just give me some of it. Here you
She
go,
says,
baby.
I like that rice.
I don't see.
Remember when we gave it to Hill, it just kind of drooled out of his mouth. This is finger licking good.
This
Get it.
is like
This is the stuff.
KFC. This is KFC. Churches, man, churches.
Okay, in just a minute.
Hold on.
Do you like that?
That's hungry. No, maybe I'm hungry.
She is hungry.
Baby, I'm hungry.
Hill, shh.
Look at that. She's like guiding it into her mouth.
Been watching her brother.
I know how to do this. Just give me the spoon.
Yeah, baby's eating some rice. Your baby's eating rice, huh?
Oh, and a bumpy. Baby, I'm in a bumpy here.
Here you go.
Don't take it away.
Don't take it away. Alright, let me go back for more. Oh, alright, it's coming, it's coming.
What's coming?
Looks like she's got her brother's appetite.
Yeah. God. That's not a good thing. Alright.
I'm whooping. I don't see whooping.
I guess this means you're bringing out the high chair.
Guess so.
What do you think, Hill? Have we had enough?
That's here.
Wait, there's gotta be more, there's gotta be more.
Got a DJ over here. Teasing me. Give me a bigger,
Baby,
Yeah, give me a big.
bigger spoon.
Give me the serving
baby,
spoon.
I'm hungry. Baby, I'm
She is hungry, huh?
Sit down, please.
Mm. That.
Hey, calm down. Don't climb up on the counter.
You gonna yank it back? She's taking it back.
You want some more, Evelyn?
Okay. Alright.
It's all gone.
Alright, well let go of it for a second and I'll get you some more. Oh, come here.
Pull closer to her so you shorter.
Yeah. Shorter breaks.
Right to the trough.
I should probably stop. So she didn't fill up on this. But that was good, Evelyn.
Good thing that's not bourbon.
That's nice. That'll be next week. All right. Here we go. I think that's good. All right, Evelyn. Good job. First feeding down. All right, say bye-bye.